Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making essential choices that shape the whole process. First, pick a card size and color system so every element has a visual home. Then write your logline and 3-act breaks on single cards. This anchors purpose. Once done, create a card for each major character with goals and stakes. Make sure to label acts and mark turning points with a highlighter. These first actionable steps give you a working map to build scenes onto. Now you convert beats into scenes by writing a single clear objective and obstacle on each card. Be specific about what the character wants. Place cards in sequence and read through transitions to check cause and effect. If a scene doesn't forward the goal, flag or trim it. Once done, cluster cards into acts and scan pacing. Add connective scenes or shorten others to fix rhythm. Make sure to track subplot cards separately so they weave in without crowding the main arc. Finish by iterating. Perform a read-through, move cards to test better flows, and collapse redundant scenes into stronger beats. Prioritize rewrites by marking cards with numbers for urgency. Tackle highest impact cards first. Once done, photograph or transcribe the final order into your outline or software. If things go wrong and the story stalls, isolate one card where action weakens. Ask what's at stake for the character. Then rewrite that card with a clearer objective and consequence to restore momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.